Hi guys, it's Lucy and welcome back to Slime Queen, and today I'm going to be doing some... Sorry guys, I'm in a very bad angle, but I haven't posted for a while, so... And yeah, okay. So I'm going to be making, as I was saying, some popping sounds with my slime. So I'm going to be making some popping sounds. You guys are falling down again. It's really good popping sounds. Okay. It's my slime. It is just a plain glue and borax slime, so I didn't add anything else into it. And it is pretty good. It's really thick, as you guys know. That's how I like it. But yeah, it's really glossy, because how to make glossy slime, you can add baby oil if you want to, but you don't have to, because if you want to, well, if you're adding color, you have to, but you don't have to if you're not adding any color and it's plain white like this. All you need to do is add nothing else into it, just the glue and borax or your activator. And that's basically it. Mine's not too glossy just because I haven't let it sit for a while. Okay, so now time to make the popping sounds. Sounds more like a jiggly kind of slime. Oh, and guys, I think my glue actually melted. Like, I'll make a little batch of slime and show you how runny it is, but it is melted and it's really weird, and it made, this is what made, like, it's really, like, kind of jiggly in a way. It's not like my other slimes. My other slimes, like this one, is different. Popping sounds are really good with this slime. It's not like the slime that you just pick up and like take down to the park and like stretch it, just squish it and stretch it and stuff. This is the slime, like, cause like it doesn't really stretch very good. Like it kind of does. Very good against slime, but it does. It does definitely stretches. It's just more like a kind of like clicky. Clicky and pokey. I'm not pokey, what's it, poppy. Because the popping sounds are really good with this slime. So, you ready? Sorry about the shaky camera, guys. This table is not very good. But it's really nice. Ew, I've got hair in it. Okay guys, so I'll come back to this slime in a minute, but I'm going to show you how runny, actually wait, I might use this container as a bowl, how runny the glue is. So I've got my container here, grab my glue out. Oh, that is heavy. Okay, so it melted. It's really... It's like water, literally. I have to actually be really careful. I don't want to spill it everywhere. Oh god, it's running, it's running, it's running. It's running down. See how runny that is, guys? It's like water. I'll make a bigger batch. That is not like normal glue. It's just not. Like, it's like water, and it's kind of like... I don't know, it's really weird though. Put that into my slime. yeah, it is really funny, guys. Very funny. Okay. Okay, well, I may as well finish off this slime, so add some colour. Do that after. And I'm going to make my slime, and I'll show you at the end, and it'll turn into like a kind of jiggly like this one. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I made a slime. It is the exact same texture as this one. I can't even tell the difference. I can't tell the difference. This one is really good. It's a bit like more stickier. It's not sticky at all, but it's a bit like, you know, thinner. You know what I mean? Thin. And now I'm going to add some black paint to it. This food dye is really strong. This paint is really, really strong. So for this, I only need a tiny little bit. You guys want to see the colour when it comes out? There we go, guys. There's some colour right there. Obviously, you guys can see that. Oh god, it's all over my hands here. It looks really cool from this side. It looks so cool on camera.
You want to come for a walk and see if they're open?
See if what's open?
Metro?
What's Metro?
Service station?
Oh, yeah, sure. Okay, one second. Can I just finish the video? Okay. Sorry, guys. Okay. So it's like a grayish black. It looks really really dark on camera, but it's actually really light here. Like, it looks like a gross color, so I'm gonna add more black. But you guys, I only added the tiniest bit, and then that's what it came out with. It is really strong. Ah, sounds so cool. And I'd say, comment down below what your favorite color is. But if you guys can't decide, and well, tell me all of your favorite colors. So it might be blue, then it might be purple. So the first favorite, maybe blue, maybe second, maybe purple. You never know. So comment down all of your favorite all of your favorite colors, and let me know, because it's interesting and I want to know. So I'd say my favorite color would be either purple or black. I'm not the biggest fan of pink. It's not my favorite color, but I'd still use it, but not my favorite color. I'd say it would be purple, then it would be black, because I like black. It goes good in everybody. So purple, then black, I think, then turquoise, turquoise, and then, yeah. So those are basically my three favorites. And then it's blue, then aqua, yeah. So basically, those are mine. So comment down below yours, because I want to know. And so this slime's pretty good. It's like the black's like a weird kind of black. It looks like a good black on camera. Looks more grey on camera, actually. But it's fully black now. So yeah. And before I go, guys, I'm going to do one last popping sound. I like this slime better. I'm going to do one last popping sound. Oh, that wasn't bad. I'm going to do one more. Gotta do it good for you guys, yeah? Gotta do it good for you guys. Alright, that one was good enough. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and like and subscribe and smash that like button. And we'll see you on next time. So bye guys.